Hey guys, it's Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be showing you our antenna relocation bracket. There's a couple different use cases for this. The one that we're going to show you today, and one of the more popular ones, is going to be if you have a tri-bar extension like this here, your OEM antenna is going to come out through this access hole right here. So again, typically this would be on here. Your antenna would go down through this slot. On this build, we went to the fused filler lights, so you can see that the tail light sits recessed in this slot. Now over here, you can see if we try and do that on this side and insert that light, our OEM antenna bracket's gonna be in the way. So we're gonna remove this and then relocate our antenna down here a little bit lower out of the way. So first thing we'll do is get rid of this whip switch, whatever you want to call it. And then we can, on the underside here, we're going to pull the wire out first. So we'll do this. Wire will pull out the bottom. Okay, so we'll disconnect, got the wire disconnected. We want to get it out of this bracket because we're going to have to take it out from underneath the seat and everything. So with this little grommet here, just kind of push that in. Pull it off the end here. We'll pull this wire through the bracket, and then now with a 3/16 Allen, we can remove this screw here. Okay, now your OEM antenna bracket is removed. Our antenna relocation bracket comes with a longer wire, so we're going to go ahead and remove the OEM wire. It'll be easier to pull the wire out this way. So we'll go ahead and disconnect it from up here underneath the seat and then pull the wire through here. And then it's gonna come out right there. So we can go ahead and set this aside. We're not going to be reusing it. Okay, so we're gonna install our fuse filler light and then we'll install the antenna relocation bracket. Okay, so full disclosure, you don't need the fused filler lights to run the relocation kit. There's other instances. If you have our alumina flush fender system, you also could use that here. The kit's going to come with an extended cable for the antenna. It's going to come with a mounting screw. It's going to come with a locking screw for the antenna, the mounting bracket, and then some zip ties and instructions. Oh yeah, or just watch the awesome video here. All right guys, so as you can see, we have our filler light, our fused filler light in here. This kit can also be used if you're going from a tour pack where the antenna would be mounted to the tour pack or the tour pack light. You can also use this kit to relocate it. If you're not using your tour pack, you can relocate down here with this bracket as well. We're gonna go ahead and install this one now. So with your supplied screw and washer, we'll go ahead and put the bracket on here. The screw through. These are 1/2-inch wrench and socket. Make sure you got it lined up where you like it. All right. So with the antenna part here, we're going to push this up through. We take our locking washer, put it over top. Take our nut. Put it over top, and then with a 5/8 wrench, we'll tighten this down. So with 2 5/8 wrenches, tighten that down. We are going to go with our shorty antenna from HOGWORKZ and install that. Okay, so now from here it's real easy. We're just gonna go ahead and run the wires back underneath the seat. All right, so now what we're gonna do is run the cable up, and then we're also gonna tie up our rear fused filler light. Use your own discretion here at how you would like to tie this up. You know, in our case here, we have the filler light here. You know, I know some guys will run like a zip tie through here and then around the wire. So we can't really do that here. So what I'm gonna do is just add one of these zip tie strips to the back side of our fused light here. Okay, and again guys, this is just to keep this kind of tied up here, keep it out of the way, keep it so it doesn't come over and hit your tire. So now what we'll do is we'll grab both of our wires, our antenna wire and our rear turn signal, clean both of these up. Run our wires up. Got our connection here. Go ahead and make the antenna connection. We've already made our rear turn signal light connection. So we'll just go ahead and tidy up some of these wires, snip off the excess here. So that's gonna conclude the install on this. Again, it's a real universal product. There's a lot of different ways you can use it, different combinations like we showed you here. We had to remove the OEM antenna bracket to run our fused filler lights. You could run the antenna this way, or you could actually flip this bracket around and run it on the inside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.